Hello from Disney's Contemporary Resort in Walt Disney World. We are here today in a club level resort view room, and I'm gonna show you around. This is one of my favorite resorts, so I'm super excited for you to take a look at it too. As we walk into the room, you are going to have on your left the bathroom, and there are two different types of bathrooms here. So you are gonna have these two sinks and all this beautiful design work on the mirrors. And then this is the tub bathroom, and then there is one that's just going to be a walk-in shower. And then you have a pocket door with the toilet in the rear of this area. Across from the bathroom is the closet, and this is one of my favorite little touches that they have in this room because this is going to be Incredibles themed. So you have on the back of the closet the Incredibles superhero outfits, and then you do have some robes in here, you have a luggage stand, and then you have a dresser here as well. There is going to be your extra pillows, your steamer, hairdryer, all that kind of stuff is going to be in this area as well. Next to that closet is going to be another closet. That's where your safe is going to be. Some more dressers over here as well, some more space, plus a full-length mirror. And then next to that is where your Keurig setup is going to be, your coffee. In this area here, yep, you will have your K-cups and some cups that you can use, and then you do have a beverage cooler here as well, so you can use that. If you do need to get your beverage cooler to go above or below, excuse me, the 41 degrees, you can also always call the front desk for assistance on that. All right, we've already kind of moved in our stuff over here. Bell Services was nice enough to bring it up for us. So we have that kind of in the corner, which is nice. They do have some space for that. But over across this way, this is going to be 2 queen beds. And like I said, this is Incredibles themed, so we got a little bit of Frozone and Edna mode. I always point this out on our room tours because you can actually place your luggage right underneath the beds. So they're pushed up enough from the floor so you do have some space there, and that's just nice. You don't have to have your luggage kind of pushed out anywhere. Across the other way, we have a couch that does fold out. This is a 5th sleeper, so you can use this. And then of course we have our TV, and because we're in a resort view room, we get a beautiful view of Bay Lake. One of my favorite things about the Contemporary is you literally cannot get a bad view because of the way that the resort is set up. So you either have a resort view or you're going to have a theme park view. So no matter where you are having an exceptional view. We are staying club level, so I will give you a peek into the club level so you can take a look at it. There are 2 different club levels. There's going to be the Atrium Club Lounge and then the Tower Club Lounge. The Tower is going to be for guests that are staying in a suite, whereas the Atrium is going to be for guests for all other room types. So we are in the Atrium Club, and it's going to be breakfast, little bites during the day. They'll have some appetizers at dinner time, and then dessert as well. There is room where you can actually go out onto the balcony to watch the fireworks. So that's another one of my little like hacks that you have for the Contemporary. If you are going to stay club level, you probably don't have to kind of splurge on that theme park view unless you do want that to be kind of sitting there by yourself watching the fireworks. You can always head over to the club to actually watch it from there. That is going to be it for our Contemporary room tour. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out, comment, like, subscribe, and as always, if you'd like help planning your Disney vacation, be sure to reach out.